Hey everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to be giving you a room tour here of our room at the Best Western Stovall's Inn in Anaheim. The Best Western Plus Stovall's Inn is located at 1110 West Catella Avenue in Anaheim. It's a 1 mile or 1.6 kilometer walk to the parks, and it takes about 20 minutes. At the time of filming, the Best Western Plus Stovall's is rated number 36 out of 129 hotels on TripAdvisor. We paid for this room out of our own pocket. We booked a 2-queen room here, and it includes a full breakfast. In between the beds, there are no outlets here. They're being taken up by the alarm clock in the lamp, so if you're wanting to charge or you have a lot of devices, you're going to need to utilize the desk on the other side of the room. The desk has 4 regular outlets and 2 USBs. Right when you walk in the door is the desk, and right here in the lamp and next to it are the USB and the regular outlets. There is a nice little table and 2 chairs. I used to laugh at these areas because they're so tiny, but it really does come in handy, especially in the morning if we decide to grab our breakfast and come back up to our room. We do have an area to sit and eat. There is a nice dresser here. This is not the refrigerator, it's just some shelving inside, and then nice big deep drawers here if you do want to unpack your clothing. There's also a great wardrobe with lots of hangers, a luggage rack, an ironing board, plus some extra pillows and bedding. This area shares a counter with the bathroom, and there's the microwave, the mini fridge, and a coffee maker with coffee and tea. I do really like that the sink is separate from the toilet and the shower tub combination, because one person can be showering and another person can be getting ready at the same time. And this is very similar to the other Best Western layouts that we've stayed at. So the bathroom here is it's a little bit tight, but they do add a full-length mirror here on the door. And the tub is really spacious. I do like that there's a shelf for your toiletries, and I also love that there's a window in the shower. The shower head is not too terribly tall, and it is adjustable. So we're on the 3rd floor, and we have noticed if one of us is sitting and the other person walks by, we can feel the floor moving. So that's something you might want to be aware of. If you get a lower floor, you might hear people above you, so you might want to ask for a higher floor when you stay here. Also, we've noticed it's got a little bit of a smell, nothing terrible, but it does smell older. This room does have some wear and tear on it, but nothing is broken. Everything seems to be functioning just fine. So just to kind of let you know, if you look for those kind of things, just very minor things, like I've noticed the upholstery on the chairs are a little worn, the bed skirts look a little bit worn, like they've been through the wash a lot of times, and personally I'd rather have things go through the wash a lot of times than not be washed at all. We will be having an experience video coming out shortly for this, and we're really excited to check out the breakfast in the morning. If you want to watch our other Best Western videos in the Anaheim area, please click here. Thanks for watching.